Ever had one of those moments where something seems so simple at first, but then it just blows your mind? Prepare to have your reality shattered. How quickly can exponential growth explode? Why are we so terrible at grasping it? This won't take long, but buckle up! So there's this classic brain melter about exponential growth involving rice and a chessboard. Just some innocent grains being placed on each square, right? How crazy could it get? Things are chill at first, just putting down 1 grain, then 2, then 4. But then, oh man, this escalates in the most insane way. So you start with just 1 single grain of rice on the first square. Measly, right? But then on the next square it doubles to 2 grains, and then it doubles again on the 3rd square to 4 grains, which doesn't seem too wild yet. Until you realize this doubling happens on every single one of the 64 squares on a chessboard. Let that marinate. 64 rounds of doubling. On paper, it doesn't seem like it should amount to that much, but in reality, by the final square, we're talking over 18,000 individual grains of rice. 18 quintillion. Wait, what? No way, you're messing with us. Well, visualize this. If those 18 quintillion grains were laid side by side, they could cover the entire surface area of the Earth. And by many times, I mean enough rice to bury every square inch of the planet under a pile of grains taller than the damn International Space Station. Now you might be thinking, okay, yeah, that's totally bonkers, but what's the big deal? Why does this stupid rice example matter? Well, like this video if you want to hear about the power of compounding interest and why exponential growth is low-key running the entire world in surprising ways. No cap.